Friends, welcome to Prakash Tarot Card Reader. Thanks for taking your time out and watching the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Olympics will be starting from 23rd of July till 8th of August. India is sending total 126 athletes, which includes different sports. So, how will be the performance of Indian athletes in different sports? So, this reading is about that India in Olympics. Then I will cover all the sporting events in which Indian athletes are participating. So it's going to be a big video, very long video. So I will make it in parts. So I will start with archery and then I'll come to other sports. In this, I'll start with archery. This is the reading for archery team, men's and women's. Now in men's recurve individual and team event. There are two events. So out of this, what's going to happen? One thing is sure, these two cards are indicating that Indian team in men's and women's will do well in archery. Now what's going to happen? This is the card for these two cards are for Tarundeep Rai, Atanu Das and Praveen Jadhav. So looking at men's individual recurve, looks like Athanu Das will win a medal for India in men's archery, individual recurve. Okay, but in team event, no, India will miss in team event in men's category. Then in women's category, yes, again Deepika Kumari, the world champion Deepika Kumari, World Cup winner Deepika Kumari is participating and she will also win a medal for India. But unfortunately here I don't see winning her a gold medal. Unfortunately. But I have to say what the card says. So looks like two medals are confirmed for India from archery. That's my prediction. Two medals for India in archery event. Archery sports. Now let's check for other sports. Now this is for badminton, women's singles and men's singles. In women's singles, PV Sindhu is representing India, and in men's singles, B Sai Pranith is representing India. So, looking at these cards, a strong feeling that PV Sindhu is certain to win a medal, and high chances that it might be a silver or gold. High chances. But one thing is sure, that she will win at least one medal for India, PV Sindhu. Then comes the Sai Pranith. For Sai Pranith, yes, parade is very good, energies are good for Sai Pranith. But when it comes to winning medal, he has a chance of winning a bronze medal, not gold or silver, but yes, he has the chance of winning a bronze medal, that is for sure, in men's singles category. So I can see two medals at least from badminton. Now I'll check for doubles also, men's doubles. Now, this is for doubles. Satvik Sairaj Rankireddy and Chirag Shetty. These are the two participating in men's doubles category in badminton in Tokyo Olympics. And look at these four cards. All are pentacle cards. Looks like even they have a chance. Even they have a chance of winning a medal. Not gold medal, certainly, but yes, looking at these three cards, certainly a medal. Looks like Indian badminton team is going to do very well. Uh, when it comes to Sai Pranit, because of Swords card, Queen of Swords card, I had some doubts, but yes, in this doubles category, I don't have any doubts as such. Looks like Indian badminton athletes, players will win at least two medals, if not three. Two medals looks sure, and I am 50-50 when it comes to third medal. But yes, two medals are sure for Indian badminton team in Tokyo Olympics 2020. Now let's check for equestrian, fencing and golf. Now this is a small reading for Fawad Mirza. He will be representing India in equestrian. Now he looks very much confident, but his spirit is not good during the Olympics and he is not likely to win any medal. Simple. Now let's check for fencing. अब बात आती है नाउ fencing. Bhavani Devi is representing India in fencing sports. She will be participating in women's sabre. So it's like she will have a good time there. But as far as medal chances are concerned, no. But yes, she will put up a good show. That is for sure. Friends, now golf. Anirban Lahiri, Aditi Ashok, and Udayan Mane. These three are representing India in golf in Tokyo Olympics. So, looking at the cards, Aditi Ashok, no. She don't have any chance of winning any medal in Tokyo. Then Anirban Lahiri and Udayan Mane. So cards for both of them looks good. So their performance will be surely good, no doubt. But when it comes to winning a medal, I take out supporting cards also for Anirban Lahiri and Udayan Mane. Out of these three, only Udayan Mane has the realistic chance of winning a medal. And probably that will be a bronze medal. But yes, only Udayan Mane in golf has a chance of winning medal. Their performance will be good, Anirban and Udayan. Aditya Ashok shall not be that good in Olympics.